Hello students. So I hope you're enjoying the video class rather than Zoom class. Okay. And last time we have discussed functions in Python. So normal functions like user functions in Python, their declaration, calling and examples we have seen. And in today's class we are going to discuss regarding variables used inside the function or outside the function. So there is local variables, global variables and global constants. Okay, so those who are familiar with C functions, right, again they are familiar with global variables and local variables. Already it is there in C language, global variables, local variables. So here we'll see how to declare local variables or what are local variables. Example, what are global variables in Python, how to use or how to declare global variables and global constants, and followed by value retrieve functions by user, value retrieve function from Python library. So like Java, like C, C++, okay, we have Python library functions. So these topics will be covered in the second video, right? I hope you love it. Okay na, Zoom lo expression ki choice ఎక్కువ లేదు కాబట్టి, so the better approach that I follow for degree is using of videos, right? So please do comments చేస్తేనే అటెండెన్స్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, after the video is posted make the comments. Okay, that will continue with the description local variables. Okay, so normally variables means we know variables are the, right, in any programming language they are the storage locations. Okay, so variables are the storage locations normally. So here local variables and global variables concept regard with function, right? Ikkadenti for example, local variable is created inside a function and cannot be accessed by statements that outside the function. So normal local variables are the variables which are declared inside the function and their access should be within the function. అంటే వాటిని ఫంక్షన్ లోపల యూజ్ చేయాలి, బయట యూజ్ చేయడానికి వీల్లేదు. యూజ్ చేస్తే ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. Different function can have local variables with the same name because the function cannot see each other's local variable. Okay, so local variable అంటే ఏంటి? The variable which is declared inside the function and used. Okay, an error occurs if statement in one function tries to access a local variable that belongs to another function. Okay, error వస్తుంది, నేను చెప్పాను already. So please just see the example. So here I'm going to declare a function, okay, called get name. So this one, దాంట్లో ఏముంది, బాడీలో name, input, enter your name. Okay, so when this function is called inside one more function called main, get name. So function ఎలా కాల్ చేయాలి? User function will be called with the name, already discussed. So get name is called by main and print hello name. Okay, so name is a variable here which is defined as a local variable. Okay, ఇక్కడ name అనే వేరియబుల్ ఉంది కదా, local variable within the get name function. It is called right after get name and in main function. So ఇక్కడ ఏమనుకున్నాం, it will cause an error. ఓకేనా, పైన ఒక లైన్ చెప్పాం కదా, it will cause an error. An error will occur if statement in one function tries to access a local variable to another function. Okay, so here it will get error. It is not the usage. If a name variable is used outside the function in main, for example, this cause an error. Okay na, మరి ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి దాన్ని, how to use that variable. Okay, and then we'll discuss. Before that, a variable must be declared before the usage. Okay na, So see here, def bad function, print the value is val and the value has said 99. This will cause an error. Okay, because the function local variables are hidden from the other functions. Alane, here it is initiated after the calling. Okay, first print lo val adigam tarvata val addam కాబట్టి it cannot access. So first variable must be declared, then you can try to access like the value is. Okay, so this is one more thing. So the clear example, right, here we have some functions. Okay, na any functions unnai ikkada, there are 3 functions. What is the program purpose? This program demonstrates 2 functions that have local variables with the same name. So 2 functions will be there, user functions, and one main function will be there. Okay, and 2 of the functions are going to use the same variable. Okay na, search chudandi ikkada what are the names of the function. For example, we'll first go with the function bodies, then we'll go with the main function. Chudandi ikkada Texas, def Texas is a user function and a variable being used is birds equal to 5000. Print Texas has birds comma birds. So birds are దానికి print చేస్తున్నాం. So what is the answer here means Texas has 5000 birds of so. So please remember birds is a variable used inside a function Texas. Okay, next one more function is being used in the program. The name of the function is Texas. Texas, one is Texas, one is California. Sorry, second is California function. For example, you can write anything, but he has taken like this: birds equal to 8000. So see, same variable is used being here. Birds unna variable ikkada malli vadukunnaru. It is possible to use the same variable with the same name. Okay, inside another function. Here Texas function is using birds variable. It is local to Texas. Here birds variable again used in California. So this birds is different, this birds is different. For example, in the society we find the same name in different families. One student or one person. Okay, Srinivas for example, Venkateshwarlu. Okay, so only some repeated names will be there. Okay, na within the right same family. Okay na, niece and other people will have cousins with the same names. Sorry, chudandi ikkada. Elane similarly birds is used in Texas, birds is used in California function. So these 2 functions have been called in main. Okay na, Texas is called first, California is called first. So the bodies will be executed as they are the value written. They are void functions. Okay na. So one second, what is the answer? We'll see. Okay, so it is the answer produced. Texas has 5000 birds and California's. So there is no problem of using of same variable. So we have demonstrated a variable local can be used with the same name with many functions. So I think I explain this at the diagram lo. Okay na? Next, each function has its own birds variable. Okay, so 5000 here, California 8000 here. So they are local variables. Okay, this program can include for user local functions. So next, passing arguments to function. Okay na, so like arguments are required. Arguments are used inside the function or bracket. Okay, for example, according to see, I am saying int add of int x comma int y. So addition of 2 numbers function. What is the function? Return type int add of int x comma int y. I will write return x plus y. Okay, so 2 integers will be read 5 10. It will be returning 15 integer value. So here also in Python it is possible to pass an argumentative function. Okay na, so far we have seen in the previous program or first second program, just the function is having some statements, no parameters. Okay, so the function will consist of arguments. For example, here we could see one example: define show double, and the function argument is number. number is the argument of the function show double. So number should be passed with a value called parameter. Okay, now పైన ఇచ్చారు చూడండి. A parameter variable, often simply called a parameter, is a special variable that is assigned the value of an argument when a function is called. So arguments are being passed when a function is called. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫంక్షన్ పేరేంటి? what is the name of the function? show double. Okay, when show double is called, we'll give show double of, for example, 10. So what is the answer? We produced, okay, for examples, we have a code, sample code, value equal to 5. Okay, main we are defining value find, and show double function will return result equal to what? The formula number into 2. what is the number is being passed as argument? 5. show double of 5. so what is the answer? result equal to 5 into 2. so print the answer will be 10. okay na? So this is the thing for calling a function with arguments. Argument pass చేస్తాం. ఇది already this topic is also there in C language. okay, right. So next, scope of the variables, scope of the local variables and scope of the right parameters. okay na? And before that, passing multiple arguments also may be possible. Multiple means many arguments, more than argument also is possible. okay, so here num1 num2, previous program is on 2 variables, 2 arguments, 2 parameters. Here 2 parameters will be passed. Sum of 12 show sum 12 comma 45. The answer is 57. so multiple arguments. right, scope of the variables. so scope of the variables in the sense, when a variable declared as local, and when a variable is used in an argument of function. okay, so what is the limitation? what is the maximum area we could use the variables? so scope of the variable local means if it's a local variable we could use within the function itself. it is not possible to call the use the function outside the right function where it declared. First program we have seen same only, starting of the video. Main it is called with some function local variable, so it is not accepting. So same arguments also should be used along with the function. Arguments or the parameter variables have the scope in the function. okay, we could use. so it is passed from outside the function, but the scope for the argument function, arguments or parameter variables is also having the scope within local. so local variables arguments have the local scope. function లో మాత్రం ఆడాలి. ఓకేనా? right. so next, global variables. so global variables, okay, are the variables which are right used by every function and which are declared as global. okay, so that I will continue. right. see, global variables and global constants. global variable అంటే ఏంటి? it is a small or normal variable, but which could be used in a global scope, like public scope Java. A global variable is accessible to all of the functions in a program file, or within the program everybody can may use the global variable. so it will give the right global scope. okay, right, we could understand a program so that see here, first a variable is created before any function is created. My value equal to 10, it is a global variable, creates a global variable, and same that variable is called inside the function called show value. okay, so my value is a global variable which is being called in show value, and again show value is called for execution. so what is the answer? is 10. okay, again I will show my value is 10, variable, global variable, okay, which is declared before the function is being declared. ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ రాసాక దీనికి ముందు డిక్లేర్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ రాస్తుంది ఏమవుతుంది? ఇఫ్ యూ రైటింగ్ మై వాల్యూ అగైన్ ఇట్ ఇస్ విల్ బి లోకల్ వేరియబుల్. సో గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్. And if you want to make your local variable as global, okay, so we could use a keyword called global. Okay, so this is different. Here main function is a local function where number is a variable. Actually it is local variable, but it is a local variable actually, but it is being declared as a global. Okay, so a keyword called global is being used, so that no, it is not a local variable, number is a global variable, so that the other function can use the number. See, number is a, if global keyword is not there, it is a local, we'll get in error. But global keyword may used in Python, so that we could use in another function. Main is different function, show number is different function. So when main is called, we'll get the answer. Okay, na? So see, line 5 uses the global keywords to declare the number variable. Okay, this statement tells the interpreter that main function is intended to assign a variable, okay, to the global number variable. Okay, so right, but which option is better, whether we'll go for a global variable or local variable, which one is best, sir? Okay, so some people will feel difficulty with using global variable. There are certain problems. Okay, so most programmers agree that you should restrict the use of global variables or not to use the global variables. So it is better to use the as much as the local variables within inside or inside a function. Okay, na? So they want to avoid, most of the programmers in the code, there are certain the reasons to ignore the use of global variables. You should restrict the use of global variables or not to use. In the reasons enti, what are the reasons? Global variables make debugging difficult. So when it is debugged the program with global variables, whereas local is very easy, global it is difficult. Memory allocation, okay, which function is calling, okay, so loading the variable from the memory, okay, processing, so time consuming and difficult. Second, function that has global variables are usually dependent on those variables. Function that use global variables are usually depend on those variables. So one global variable is there, if many functions are using the same variable, so they are dependent on the global variable, same variable. Okay, next, global variables make program hard to understand. Okay, so beginners especially will have a confusion, so that the global variables are difficult to use. But what is the way to use a variable like in a global scope? And we could replace global variable as a constant. Okay, so one program is being given, okay, the constant declare chesi mana vadukochu, like contribution rate. Okay, that contribution rate may be used in many functions. So a program chudandi, so constants are the fixed values, only one time it will be declared and used, right? Okay, next, introduction to value returning functions. Okay, value returning functions. So first class we discussed that there are two types of functions in Python: void functions and value returning functions. So far we have seen the programs are void functions, just body is executing. Next, value returning functions will return a value, like as I said, int add of int x comma int y, return x plus y. Okay, so value returning functions is a function that return a value back to the part of the program that is called. So like calling function, call function, calling function will call a function, so the called function will return the value. Okay, square root of 4 for example will return a value 2.0 in C language for example. Okay, Python as well as most programming languages provide library pre-return functions. So value return functions are again of two types. All the inbuilt functions we think of in Python, value returning functions, library functions, all comes under value returning functions. Not only this one, we can use or we may return a function defined by the user. So value returning user functions untai, library functions untai. So it is given, right, library function importing ఓకేనా. మీకు మ్యాథ్ ఫంక్షన్ దగ్గర డిస్కస్ చేస్తా ఈ టాపిక్. ప్రజెంట్ విల్ స్కిప్ అండ్ డైరెక్ట్ ఐ విల్ గో టు rand function ఇచ్చాడు. random function will discuss later. With math function we'll go with user functions with user functions with the return values. Okay, this is 7 to continue. Write your own validating functions. Okay, returning validating functions are available with Python library, within Python library. So one example is given, random function usage, that we'll discuss in next class. Math functions దగ్గర చెప్తాది. ఓకేనా, how to use random functions and how to import the functions. But before that, last topic, writing your own returning functions. So like write a validatory function as a return statement that returns a value back to the called function. Okay, so same, it is similar to the void function. So def function name, statement there we are ending, but here we'll include return expression. Okay, so return statement ఉంటుంది void functions తో పాటు, లేదా like a void function will write the function with the def statement and will return. Example, def sum num1 comma num2 result equal num1 plus num2 return result. ఓకే, నేను యాడ్ అని చెప్పాను. లైక్ సో డెఫ్ సమ్, సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రిటర్న్ టైప్ అట్ ద స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ హియర్, ఇక్కడ రిటర్న్ రిజల్ట్ డైరెక్ట్లీ వి కుడ్ రైట్. ఓకే, సో ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ సమ్, num1 num2 ఆర్ ద parameters, రిటర్న్ ద ఫంక్షన్ రిటర్న్స్ ద వాల్యూ referenced by the result variable. Okay, one more program, right? First age, second age, total sum of the two ages. Okay, so a function is going to return the value. మనకు కావాల్సింది ఇది, def sum num1 comma num2 result equal result. Okay, so like sum of two numbers, sum of three numbers. Okay, so like we could write. Okay, so local variables, global variables, we finished void functions, and we have validatory functions. Okay, one part is complete, half part is completed. Okay, so library functions we have discussed. Okay, so along with some topics we'll continue in the next session. So please make comment. Okay, na? So as Principal Madam said, practical marks and internal marks will be right, have a cut for the student those who are not attending for the video class or online classes. Okay, right? Good.